Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix a Viber sound problem easy and quick. Let's learn how to do it. Open first your settings of your mobile phone. Open your apps option and search for Viber. Open Viber then. Come here to your storage, click clear cache, go back down and click force stop and click OK. Now you have to go directly to Play Store or App Store and update your Viber on the last version. And then what you should do, just restart your phone. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and